Hi and welcome to Treasurie. I'm Louisa and today I'm going to show you how to make a solid granny square with no gaps. Last week we did this one with the diagonal gaps, but this is completely solid and actually much easier to do. You'll need some cotton yarn. This is an Iran weight and a hook. I'm using a 4mm hook, which is smaller than you would normally use, but that gives a nice solid look. Let's get started. Start with a slip knot and chain 4. So yarn over and pull through. That's our first chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We're now going to join it up into a ring by inserting your hook into the first chain and doing a slip stitch. So insert, yarn over, pull through and pull through the one on the hook. There's our little ring. If you're experienced, you can do a magic ring instead. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That counts as our first treble stitch and our first corner. Now 2 double crochet for the side. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. 1 more double crochet. Our next corner is a treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, 4 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. That's our second corner. 2 double crochet for the side, 1 and 2, treble for the next corner, and 2 double crochet for the side. 1 and 2, looking like a little square already. Treble for the last corner. And then 2 double crochet for the last side. Join it up by doing a slip stitch into the 4th chain at the beginning. And there's our first round. If you stretch it out a little bit, you can see that the trebles are forming the corner and the shorter double crochet the sides. If you have crocheted over that tail, you can pull a little bit tighter and that will make the hole disappear. If you used a magic ring, then pull the center tight now. Ready for round 2. You're already in a corner, so we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That counts as the first treble of our corner. Double crochet 2 into the base of that chain. That completes the corner. You now have 2 double crochets across. Do a double crochet into each of those into the top of the stitch. 1 and 2. We're now at the treble of the corner, and into each corner we're going to do 2 double crochet, 1 treble and 2 double crochet. So first we have the 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. We're now at the peak of the corner, so the treble, all into the same stitch, and 2 double crochet the other side of the corner. So you will have 5 stitches into the 1 treble stitch underneath. And if you straighten that out a little bit, you can see a nice corner there. We're back to the side and we have 2 double crochet. Corner is 2 double crochet, 1 treble, 2 double crochet. And now the 2 double crochet to finish that off. Next side we have 2 double crochet, then another corner, and then the next side. Another side, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, corner, 2 double crochet, 1 treble, 2 double crochet, so 1 and 2. Remember, all those 5 stitches are into the 1 stitch below. That's the treble, 2 double crochet. I think you're probably getting the hang of it now. Side is 2 double crochet, now when we started with the chain 4, which counts as a treble, so we're short the 2 double crochet at the beginning of the corner. So just at the very end there, we're going to do another 2 double crochet, and like we did on the row before, we're going to slip stitch into the 4th chain to join it up. And there we have round 2. So if you pull it out a little bit, it's looking nice and square now. Here's a tip: if you find it difficult to identify the corners, just use some stitch markers. For round 3, you're just going to continue the same pattern. Chain 4 to start and 2 double crochet. Every one on the side is going to have double crochets. Your corner will be 2 double crochet, 1 treble, 2 double crochet, all the way to the end. Don't forget you need to do the 2 extra double crochet to complete that first corner, and then slip stitch to join. So exactly the same pattern as we did in round 2. I'll show you my completed one in a minute. Here's my finished purple square with 5 rounds. Just needs blocking now, but you can see it has a beautiful square shape and no gaps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.